Hey everybody, Double P here, welcome. So I'm cutting today's trade, the review of it. As you can see, pretty late. It's late in the evening here where I am. It's 11:48, so it's almost midnight where I am. So I'm going to do this really quickly so that you can see what we did today. But before I get into that, I can't give you any financial advice, can't give you any investment advice, can't give you any um, legal advice, can't give you any taxation advice because I'm not certified or licensed to do so. I don't have my Series 33, I don't have my Series 7s, I don't have any of my series license. I'm not a dealer broker, and I'm not a licensed stockbroker or a licensed financial planner or analyst, so I can't give you any of that information. You see all my disclaimers down on my site there. So let's get into it. Oh, yeah, you can't hold me liable or my corporations or my entities or anybody else liable for trades you may or may not take based on what I'm talking about today. And this is strictly for entertainment purposes only. So it's kind of late. I got to kind of quiet down because everyone's sleeping, so I don't want to be talking too loud. So today's trade was on PROG. That's the ticker symbol. So what we decided to do was what's the first thing we do? Is we always draw our box. Why do we draw our box? Well, we draw our box so we know exactly what kind of position we're going to be taking. Okay? Oh, forgive me there. That's what happens when you're doing live video. It is getting kind of late. So let me go over this here because I get questions all the time. Well, it says margin account, full margin. Why does it say partially delayed data? No problem. I'll show you that there. Stock is in real time. So Amex, NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, all real time feeds. We got equity options, real time, futures and futures. I don't trade that, so I don't need the feeds for it live. So it's shut off. And you got Forex and you have other. So the account is fully live, fully functioning. So let's go over PROG. So mapped out the box. And where did PRG open today? Well, open up above the box. So when it opens above the box, what do? It all depends on how high and how far it opens above the box. So if it opens up and it's a good 25% above the box, you can be rest assured that it's going to be a long position, but it's going to be coming back down because it was only half the distance from the box when it opened up. And then you can see here my 20 is super hugging this line, and the 200, you see the slope of the 200. So I knew, and I wait because we always take our setups. We always take our setup on a 5-minute candle, right? We watch the trade setup on a 5-minute candle, and we drop down to the 1-minute candle to be able to take our trades. So that's what I did. I waited for this stock to open up. So let me come down here so you can get the spoiler alert. So you see what happened is I sent this trade out to my Platinum Trader beta tester members at 10 o'clock or 10:02 today. I told them it was a 30-minute scalp trade. It was a momentum scalp trade, 30 minutes. I bought the 19th November 21 PRG 5.5 strike puts for 82 cents per put contract, and I told them to get 30 contracts. Tight stop loss 10%. Okay, so keep that in mind. That was 10:02, and it was a 5.5 strike for the put. So what happened at 10:02? Where was that candle? Well, 10:02 was this candle right here. All right. So let's go over here and drop down to the 1-minute candle so that you can see it a little bit more clearly. And let me see if I can open this up here. See if I can try to zoom in here. Perfect. So let me come over here. So now we're on the 1 minute candles. So let's go over to 10:02. Let me see if I can make this a little bit more clearly for you. Yep, perfect. Perfect. We always want to see nice big juicy candles. Okay, so 10:02. So 10:02, that's when a trade alert went out, and that's when I sent out my trade to my Platinum Trader beta tester members. And then from there, you saw a great ski slope, downward action. Look at the 20 right here, hugging it. Look at the slope of the 200. Beautiful trade. I was out at 10:23, so let's go over the 10:23. So right here on this doji candle right here, you see this candle of indecision, that gray candle right there. That's when I got out 10:23, and then look at what happened right afterwards. I should have stayed in this trade. I would have made another 4 or 5 candles to the downside. But I mean, from here all the way over down to here, that was a nice trade, right? Now, because we're doing the options, we're going to come over here and we're going to look at the options. So on the option side of things, you see right here, the 5-5 put. So at 10:02, you'll see 10:02 entered into the trade. So this is what the option was worth, and you see the high, it hit a high 125. So let's go over to 10:23. So at 10:23, it was a high of $1.10, pretty much where I got out. And again, I should have stayed in. Those 2 candles were there, but I didn't. So that was our trade today with PROG. It was a fantastic trade to the downside. A quick trade, 30 minutes, I told my guys. So I was in at 10:02, out at 10:23. So less than 30 minutes, but it was enough time where I got in, I got out, my guys got in, my guys got out. So if you like the way we trade, you like the way I've been trading over the last, oh my God, now almost 2 months, you've seen the rest of my channel. You know what we do at the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group. Somewhere there's going to be a link to a site, either above, either below, to the left or to the right. So just click that link and I'll see you on the other side, all right? And like this video, smash that like button for me. Smash that like button for me. Let's get this video shared. Let's get my channel shared so I can help out a lot of traders change their financial futures around. Quote unquote, not going to guarantee anything because I can't guarantee anything. You could lose all your money in the market because the markets are super volatile. They're highly manipulated by institutional traders, money managers, hedge funds, quants. So you have to be very careful. My recommendation to you is to always trade in a paper money account first until you're proving yourself profitable so you can go into the real world markets. So like this video, click on over to the site, and I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody.